going on here. Looking around you up out there, nice and flat. So we are on part of the surface of the Missoula flood deposits. So these are brought in from those Missoula floods into this area. The stuff that we were on over there, just to remind you, had Missoula flood deposits, but then it was reworked by the Willamette. And so all that stuff was moved around. So the Missoula floods brought in silts, they brought in clays, they brought in silts. So all these different layers that you can see in here. And then you also had soil development going on. So you had those silts and sands that would be breaking down into clays and then moving and migrating. And when they accumulate, they become more dense. They fill in all the little holes. And so that will result in water being unable to penetrate. So when you're in Willamette Valley in October, well, nowadays it's more like November, December, it rains a lot. And we get water just coming and coming and coming, and it'll enter from the top, and it'll hit in this area here, and it can't go any deeper. And so it'll start to perch on top. But then regionally, as we get through the winter, that water also fills up the basin. And so the whole basin starts to fill up with water, and the regional water table will also come up from below, and they'll meet. So it will no longer be perched, but it'll meet as well. This pit, when you come around in the summer, in the winter time, will be full with water up to here. So this is all filled with water during the winter time. There's a pit over there, almost the same elevation, that will not fill up with water because it's right about here, and then it's got a slope coming off to the side. So that slope allows water and exit laterally to go out, and so that soil is a little better drained. This one, because we're in the middle of the flat spot, water comes in. Where has it got to go? It can't go that way because there's water there. It can't go that way because there's water there. It can't go that way. So this is why this area here, even though it's pretty much the same elevation, same original soil materials, it has a poorly drained system because of where it is in that landscape. So that's another thing that landscape looks supposed to give you.